Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Ubisoft Connect and signing into the account you play Rainbow Six Siege with. This prevents mismatched settings. Once logged in, make sure Siege is fully closed so the client can apply server changes. Note your current data center and ping now so you can verify improvement later. You'll also want to disable VPNs or proxies. They can force a different region. After that, proceed to the in-game settings to access server options. You load Rainbow Six Siege and go to Options, then Network, where the data center list lives. This is where you pick routing manually. Once done, scan the list for lower ping numbers and prefer stability over marginal gains. Make your selection, apply settings, and then restart the game so the client reconnects to the new data center. If you play with friends, coordinate region choice to avoid mismatched matchmaking. Confirm the server change by checking your ping in the main menu. You finish by verifying the new data center shows lower ping and acceptable packet loss in the main menu. This proves the change worked. If the client won't save the selection, clear the Ubisoft Connect cache and verify Siege game files, then try again. Once done, a router reboot can fix local routing problems, and contacting your ISP helps if the route remains poor. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity still drops, temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.